Sakubona unjani? Nansi indaba. Namuhla mina lomnewethu lodadewethu sivakatshele ugogo. Simthole ehlezi phandle. Uthabile kakhulu ukusibona. So that's the short story I have for you today. Obviously, I'm going to give you more of it. I'm going to share with you the conversation that we had with Coco. But before we do that, I want to make sure we're on the same page. I want to make sure you understand the scenario, what's going on, and then I'm going to tell you what we say to Coco. Okay, so let's dissect it together. So I said this. I said namuhla mina lomnewethu lodadewethu sivakatshele ugogo. What does that mean? What does that mean? So I'm saying today, myself, my brother, and my sister visited grandmother. Okay? Then next I say this. Simthole ehlezi phandle. What does that mean? We found her seated outside. Okay? We found her seated outside. Uthabile kakhulu ukusibona. What does that mean? Uthabile? She was very happy to see us. Okay, so that's the story. We went to see grandmother, found her outside, and she was happy to see us. Okay, so now let's get into the conversation that we had with Coco. Okay, so first, we're like, Sawubona Coco. And she says, how? Nguwe mntanami. Yebo yimi Coco. How? Libuye lonke. Lawe ntombi zodwa. Lawe mncedisi. How? Laze langijabulisa abazukulu bami. Lathi siyathaba kakhulu ukubona Coco. Kunjani? Ngiyaphila abantu bami. Iqolo kuphela. Iqolo libuhlungu. Lenyawo lazo zibuhlungu kulezi insuku. Oh, phepha Coco. Kodwa sikuphathele amaphilisi. Ngiyabonga abantu bami. Let us born. So this was the conversation that we had with Coco. All right. I hope you got something. I hope you're able to follow on what's going on. But let's get into it, okay? Let's make sure that you really understand what happened in that conversation. All right. So obviously the first thing was Sakubona Coco. That one is very easy. What does it mean? So it's greetings, Granny, or greeting Granny, okay? And then she says, how? Nguwe mntanami. Okay? What is she saying there? How? Nguwe mntanami. What is she saying? Oh, it's you, my grandchild. So it's like she's seen me, she's addressing me, okay? But I'm with my brother and my sister. And she says, oh, it's you, okay? So let me point out just two words that I want you to add to your vocabulary. First one being that one, mntanami. So this is a word that grandparents use. It literally means child of my child. Okay. And then there is a second one that they use to address their grandkids. What's the word? So the word is mzukulu. Okay. So if she's addressing one of us, she'll say mzukulu wami. All right. And what if she wants to say my grandkids? She wants to address two or more of us. She will say bazukulu bami. Okay. Right. So she said those words, isn't it? So where were we? That's when she said nguwe mntanami. And then I said yebo yimi Coco. Okay? Yes, it's me. It's me, Granny. Then now she notices my brother and my sister, okay, and says how? Libuye lonke. What does that mean? She's saying, oh, you came together, okay? And then she says what? Lawe ntombi zodwa. Lo mncedisi laze langijabulisa abazukulu bami. So she's saying, even you ntombi zodwa and mncedisi, like you're all here. And then, laze langijabulisa abazukulu bami. What does that mean? You have really made me glad, my grandkids. Okay, you've really made me glad. Lathi siyathaba kakhulu ukukubona Coco. Kunjani? So what did we say? What did me and my siblings say there? Lathi siyathaba kakhulu ukukubona Coco. Even us, we are very happy to see you, Coco. Kunjani? So kunjani means how is it or how are you, all right? You can always say kunjani or unjani, right? Listen to this. Ngiyaphila bantu bami, iqolo kuphela, iqolo libuhlungu. Lenyawo lezi zibuhlungu kulezi insuku. What is Coco saying there? So first she says ngiyaphila bantu bami. I'm well, my kids. But then she goes on to say, oh, only the waist or the back. Iqolo kuphela, the back. Then she says, iqolo libuhlungu. What does that mean? My back hurts. Lenyawo lezi zibuhlungu kulezi insuku. What is she saying there? Even my feet are painful these days. Then we reply to her and say, Peppa Coco, kodwa sikuphathele amaphilisi. What are we saying there? Sorry, Granny. Okay, Peppa means sorry. But we brought you some pills. All right. And she says, Nyabonga bantu bami. Thank you so much, bazukulu bami, actually. Lethani sibone. What does that mean? Lethani sibone. Bring them, let me see. Okay, bring them, let me see. All right, so that's the conversation that we had with Coco. Okay, so elderly people will normally complain about body pains. All right, and it's helpful if you're able to hear what they're saying exactly. If you're able to hear which body parts they are complaining about. All right, so let's go over some of the common complaints that elderly people will tell you about. Some of the pains that they will tell you about. All right. The first one would be ikhanda lami libuhlungu. What does that mean? Ikhanda lami libuhlungu. My head is painful. Ikhanda is the head. Okay? What about isisu sami sibuhlungu? Isisu sami sibuhlungu. My stomach hurts. All right? And then we have inyawo zami zibuhlungu. Coco also said this to us. What does it mean again? My feet are painful. Inyawo zami zibuhlungu. All right. What about intamo yami ibuhlungu? Intamo yami? My neck is painful. Intamo. All right? Ingalo zami zibuhlungu. What does that mean? Ingalo zami? My arms are painful. My arms are painful. Okay? And then the other one that Coco said was iqolo libuhlungu. And we said it means? So iqolo, mostly it means the back. Okay? So my back is painful. But we also say iqolo to mean the waist. Okay? So usually people will say it and they'll point at what they are talking about exactly. You hear them say, iqolo lami libuhlungu, and they'll probably be touching it. Okay, so yep, that's it. That's what we have in this particular lesson. All right. Ngithemba usizwisisile isifundo sanamuhla. Okay, so umsebenzi wangekhaya uzawuthola ku chapter document. All right, the accompanying document that says isifundo 2. That's where you're going to find your homework, your assignment. Okay, and then you go ahead and do that and submit it to me before you move on to the next lesson. All right, so ngizakubona kusifundo esilandelayo. Bye.